Chiang Mai, Thailand, October 5, 2024.
ไปแล้วครับไปแล้วระวังเนอะเสาไฟนะถ้าไฟเป็นหลังนี่ก็ไม่เท่าไหร่ฮะ
Chiang Mai is experiencing its second severe flood within a week, with the Ping River surging to unprecedented levels. Residents and business owners, who had just finished cleaning up debris from the previous flood during recent sunny days, now face even more extensive damage as their recovery efforts are undermined by this new deluge. The flooding has significantly impacted areas throughout the eastern section of the old city and communities on both banks of the Ping River.
ทีมจะว่ายน้ำได้แล้วเจ้าปทรโมสังโคปดีถึงคอสัง
The record-breaking water level has surpassed all previous measurements, causing widespread devastation to properties that had barely recovered from last week's flooding. The situation highlights the increasing severity of flood events in the region and their impact on local communities. Flooding in northern Thailand forced many residents of the city of Chiang Mai and its outskirts to seek safety on higher ground on Friday, with members of the animal world under similar threat.
ตอนนี้เลยครับผมตอนนี้ผมไลฟ์สดอยู่นะครับเวลา 8:16 วันที่ 3 นะครับใช่ครับไปลง
Floodwaters up to 1 meter deep have submerged Charoen Prathit and Chong Klon roads and the Pa Freo Nok community since Thursday. Debris and branches caught under the Mengrai Bridge near Ratchawet buildings exacerbated the flooding on Charoen Prathit Road. Officials have closed the road to traffic and deployed an excavator to remove obstacles blocking flow at the bridge. Residents on the western side of Ping River have built sandbag barriers and monitored the flood situation overnight. However, low-lying areas inundated by the Ping overflow included Chiang Mai Lamphun Road, Rimping Supermarket, Kavila Barracks and the Wat Muang Kai community. Water levels in the Ping River dropped to 4.8 m as of 5 a.m. on Friday. However, surrounding communities remain submerged as the riverbank is just 4.20 meters high in some places, while rainfall is continuing. Several villages in Chiang Mai's Mae Rim district have been inundated by water from upstream runoffs, local media reported Thursday. Evacuations were underway at the Elephant Nature Park, which houses around 3,000 rescued animals, including 125 elephants, 800 dogs, 2,500 cats, 200 rabbits and 200 cows.
น้องเขาจะตัวเท่าจีน่านะคะน้องเขาก็ทำงานอยู่ที่ร้านทำฟันเซเว่นปิด จะไปซื้อหยังซื้อน้ำส้ม
Floodwaters caused by heavy rainfall swept through the park on Thursday. Heavy seasonal monsoon rains and the effects of Typhoon Yagi combined to cause serious flooding in many parts of Thailand, with the northern region particularly badly hit. Video posted online by the park vividly illustrated that care and compassion are not solely human traits. The video shows several of the park's resident elephants fleeing through rising muddy water to ground less inundated. Efforts to evacuate more animals were hampered by the high water, while more rain is forecast. The head of Thailand's Department of National Parks said that dozens of officers have been dispatched but have been unable to reach the park due to flooded roads. Athapal said they urgently need flat-bottomed boats and volunteers to help evacuate the remaining animals.
ความสูงคนนี้175ประมาณเอว
ถ้าไปเป็นหลังนี่ก็ไม่เท่าไหร่ฮะ
เรียนเรจินาประตูหลังเรจินาตรงไปเลยค่ะพี่ตรงอย่างเดียวเลยค่ะถ้าพี่ไม่อยู่นี่น้องจะไป
Heavy runoff and rapid overflow from the Chiang River, which passes through the park, creating what staff called the worst ever deluge. Some animals, including elephants, cows and water buffalo, were being carried away in the current from the park on Friday afternoon, and anybody who spotted them was being asked to contact staff. A staff member told the Bangkok Post that the park has 126 elephants and that 2 were known to be trapped in the current. Some have been saved by mahouts by moving them to high ground, she added.
ต้องไปด้วยก่อนพี่ต้องไปด้วยก่อน
เ